You should wait about 3 to 5 minutes after applying beard oil before you apply beard butter, beard balm, or beard wax, and I would not wait anything more than 10 minutes. So in the 3 to 10 minute range is ideal to have enough wait time, and I also would not do less than that. I would not apply beard oil and then go right into butter or right into balm. Any way you go outside of that, it's not going to be the best experience because each of the products are not going to be able to do their intended job. Now, that is the straightaway answer for those of you that are like in the moment and searching. You just want a solution. Hopefully that helped you out. I will explain the reasons behind this with hopefully not being too long-winded, but if this helped you, if this like reassured you, or you just like the video, quick thumbs up, the like button. And if you're not subscribed here and you're asking about beard stuff, come on, man. Subscription, it is absolutely free, supports what we do here, gets you guys to see more videos. It's awesome. Thank you to those returning subscribers. So to kick it off, Dan, why can't I just put oil then butter? Oil's job is to do a couple of things. It should be penetrating into the skin and the hair, but it also should be locking in moisture. It also should be sealing and coating the hair to some degree, right? We have some thicker oils that do it more. We have thinner oils that do it less, but we still want some slick on the outside of the hair because you want to be able to spread the product evenly. You want to be able to comb or run your fingers through your beard so the hairs aren't just grabbing onto each other, and that slick or slip factor really helps us out. But if you do it too quickly, it's not able to absorb in. If you wait too long, then it's too much absorbed in, and we like to apply products to a damp beard. But Dan, if I wait 3 to 5 minutes, or Dan, if I use heat afterwards, my beard is not damp anymore. Yes, technically you're right, but that moisture is already inside the porous hairs, and then it's locked in with that oil, and you're good to go. But if you get past that 10 minutes, especially if it's a thin viscosity, fast absorbing oil, the chances of that moisture still being locked in are not good. So if you do go beyond the 10 minutes, it's fine. You can still apply balm and butter. I would just recommend getting the beard damp. One of those little misters is going to make a nice difference. You can splash some water on your face, run your fingers through your beard. But if you just apply the oil, wait 3 to 5 minutes, you don't have to get it wet again. You can even use heat and then apply balm or butter right afterwards. Simple, easy, done. Now to kind of like put a little bookmark, I have lots of videos on this, and in case anybody is like, hey, I don't know, I didn't see the old videos. Balm is for styling primarily. Butter is for nourishment primarily. And if those are not applied correctly, it's not going to style as well. It's not going to nourish as well. These all kind of go together with how you use the products, when to use the products, right? I got a whole channel dedicated to it. And if you have any questions that are related but not addressed in this video, comment section down below. I make these videos because of you guys. This video was because a guy emailed me and was like, hey man, you talk a lot about these topics on live streams or you mention them in routine videos, but some of them need to be dedicated videos so people can search and find them. And this was one of his ideas. So shout out to you guys. Keep the questions coming. I will find a way to turn it into content. It might not be the next day or week or month, but I have an idea list down, and if I feel like it will help people, I will make it a video. We've done over 2,000 videos now. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So comments, conclusion, what are your thoughts? What are your questions? What do you want to talk about? I appreciate you guys. Dan C. Bearded, please stay bearded and stay positive.